Reaching for the stars, SpaceX's ambitious journey. SpaceX stands as a testament to humanity's relentless pursuit of exploring the cosmos. From reusable rockets to ambitious Mars colonization plans, SpaceX has captured the world's imagination. However, the path to the stars is paved with immense challenges, demanding unwavering determination and the courage to learn from setbacks. Each successful launch and landing is a testament to human ingenuity. Each failure presents an opportunity for invaluable learning and improvement. The company's ultimate ambition lies in making life multiplanetary. The Raptor engine, SpaceX's brainchild, is designed to power its Starship spacecraft, intended for missions to Mars and beyond. Recent events have brought to light some unforeseen challenges with the Raptor vacuum engine, a variant specifically designed for operation in the vacuum of space. These challenges underscore the complexities of space travel and the meticulous engineering required to conquer them. Raptor vacuum engines, a stumbling block on the path to Mars. At the heart of SpaceX's Starship program lies the Raptor engine, a marvel of modern engineering. The Raptor vacuum variant, optimized for the airless environment of space, plays a crucial role in Starship's journey beyond Earth's atmosphere. However, recent Starship test flights have exposed unforeseen challenges with the Raptor vacuum engine. These challenges, primarily centered around the engine's feed lines, have resulted in engine failures and jeopardized mission success. SpaceX engineers are meticulously analyzing flight data and conducting extensive testing to pinpoint the root cause. Preliminary findings suggest potential problems with pressure fluctuations or vibrations within the feed lines, leading to uneven propellant flow and engine instability. The unforgiving environment, characterized by extreme temperatures, vacuum, and intense vibrations, demands an unparalleled level of precision and durability from every component. Fire and fury. Analyzing the Raptor engine failures. The recent Starship test flights, while offering valuable insights, have not been without their share of dramatic incidents. During these tests, the Raptor vacuum engines exhibited abnormal behavior, resulting in engine failures and, in some cases, fiery consequences. These incidents, captured on live streams and meticulously analyzed by SpaceX engineers, have provided crucial data for understanding the underlying issues and implementing corrective measures. One notable incident involved the observation of small fires around the vacuum engine during flight. These fires, attributed to leaks in the engine's regenerative cooling system, highlighted the immense stresses placed on the engine during operation. Another concerning observation involved the engine's performance degrading as propellant levels decreased. By analyzing the failures and understanding their root causes, SpaceX engineers gain invaluable insights that inform design modifications and improvements. SpaceX's response engineering solutions for a complex problem. In the face of these challenges, SpaceX remains undeterred, embracing its iterative design philosophy and channeling its engineering prowess to address the Raptor vacuum engine issues head-on. The company's response is characterized by a multi-pronged approach, focusing on rigorous testing, design modifications, and process improvements to enhance the engine's reliability. One of the immediate steps taken by SpaceX involves conducting additional ground tests of the Raptor vacuum engine. By subjecting the engine to rigorous testing, engineers can identify potential weaknesses, validate design modifications, and gain confidence in its performance. SpaceX is implementing design changes to address the issues identified. These modifications focus on improving the resilience of the engine's feed lines, potentially involving changes to their geometry, materials, or support structures. By refining its manufacturing processes, SpaceX aims to enhance the quality and consistency of its engines, reducing the likelihood of future problems. Section 5. A rover's unexpected detour, the Athena lander incident. While the Raptor engine challenges demand immediate attention, SpaceX is not the only spacefaring entity grappling with unforeseen circumstances. Intuitive Machines, a lunar exploration company, recently faced a setback during its second lunar landing attempt with the Athena lander. The mission, carrying a rover named Mobile Autonomous Prospecting Platform, or MAP, encountered difficulties during touchdown, resulting in the lander tipping over on the lunar surface. Despite the mishap, the MAP rover, designed to explore the lunar surface and collect valuable data, emerged from the incident relatively unscathed. Remarkably, the rover remained operational, transmitting data back to Earth and demonstrating its resilience in the face of adversity. However, the lander's precarious position presented a significant obstacle to the rover's primary mission. The rover, trapped within the confines of the lander, found itself with limited mobility, its scientific objectives hampered by the unexpected turn of events. Section 6. Cygnus, Cargo Crisis, a supply chain disruption in space. The vast expanse of space, while seemingly serene, presents numerous logistical challenges, particularly when it comes to maintaining a continuous supply chain to the International Space Station. The recent issues with Northrop Grumman's Cygnus NG-22 cargo spacecraft have highlighted the vulnerabilities of this delicate supply chain. The Cygnus NG-22 mission, contracted by NASA to deliver essential supplies to the ISS, faced a series of delays due to technical issues, pushing its launch date further into the future. These delays, stemming from problems with the spacecraft's pressurized cargo module container, raised concerns about the timely replenishment of vital resources aboard the ISS. The space station, reliant on regular cargo deliveries for its sustenance, operates on a tight schedule, with each mission meticulously planned to ensure the well-being of its crew and the continuation of its scientific endeavors. These unforeseen circumstances underscore the importance of a robust and reliable space logistics network. Section 7. Implications for the ISS navigating uncertain cargo deliveries. The Cygnus NG-22 delays have sent ripples of concern through the space community, particularly for those responsible for the International Space Station's well-being. The ISS, a marvel of engineering and a testament to international collaboration, relies heavily on a steady stream of cargo deliveries to sustain its crew and support its scientific endeavors. The potential disruption caused by the Cygnus delays poses challenges for mission planners and highlights the importance of contingency planning in the unpredictable realm of space exploration. One of the primary concerns arising from the Cygnus delays is the potential depletion of essential resources aboard the ISS. Delays in cargo deliveries could lead to resource constraints, forcing mission controllers to implement conservation measures and potentially impacting crew comfort and scientific operations. Furthermore, the Cygnus delays could disrupt the delicate timeline of scientific experiments conducted aboard the ISS. The ISS, as a symbol of international collaboration, relies on the coordinated efforts of multiple space agencies to maintain its operations. Section 8. The road ahead. SpaceX's determination and future missions. Despite the challenges faced with the Raptor vacuum engine and the broader context of space exploration's inherent uncertainties, SpaceX remains steadfast in its commitment to advancing spacefaring technology and pursuing its ambitious goals. The company's unwavering determination, coupled with its iterative design philosophy and rapid learning cycles, positions it well to overcome these obstacles and continue pushing the boundaries of what's possible in space. SpaceX's immediate focus remains on resolving the Raptor vacuum engine issues, leveraging its engineering expertise and relentless testing to ensure the engine's reliability for future missions. The company's transparency throughout this process, openly acknowledging challenges and sharing its progress, has earned it respect within the space community and beyond. Looking beyond the immediate challenges, SpaceX's long-term vision remains firmly set on making life multiplanetary, with Mars as its primary target. The lessons learned from the engine's development and testing will undoubtedly prove invaluable as SpaceX continues to refine its technology and prepare for humanity's next giant leap. Section 9. Conclusion. The unwavering pursuit of space exploration. The pursuit of space exploration is an endeavor fraught with challenges, demanding unwavering determination, relentless innovation, and the courage to learn from setbacks. SpaceX, a company at the forefront of this pursuit, embodies these qualities, continuously pushing the boundaries of technology and inspiring generations to look up at the stars with wonder and ambition. The recent challenges faced by SpaceX, from the Raptor vacuum engine issues to the broader context of space logistics and lunar landing mishaps, serve as reminders of the complexities of venturing beyond Earth's embrace. These challenges, while daunting, are not insurmountable. SpaceX, with its unwavering commitment to advancing spacefaring technology and its bold vision for the future, stands as a beacon of hope and inspiration, reminding us that the stars are within our reach if we dare to dream big and strive for greatness.